welcome to With Wes. Today we're going to be talking about adding fractions. So when you're adding fractions, you can only add fractions if the denominator is the same. The bottom number is the denominator. So these denominators are the same. So we just take the numerator, the top number, and we add them, and the denominator stays the same. So what happens if we do not have a same denominator? So let's take 3/4 plus 1/3. Well, we do not have common denominators, so we cannot add these two together. We have to find a common denominator. So we take the multiples of 4 and 3. Well, the multiples of 4 are 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we take the multiples of 3, which are 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. And I'll stop there because we have a common denominator, 12. So we take 12 as our denominator. We know that's what we're trying to get to. We're trying to get to 12 on the bottom here and a 12 here. How do we do that? Well, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to multiply 4 by something. That 4 times 3 gives us 12. And whatever we multiply the denominator by, you have to multiply the numerator by. Because we're multiplying it by 3 over 3, 3 over 3 equals 1. We're not changing the value, we're just changing the number of pieces in the whole that we have. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So now we come over to the 1/3. We take 3 times what equals 12? Well, 3 times 4. Same rule, we can multiply it by 1. Whatever we multiply the bottom by, we multiply the top by. 4 over 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 times 4 is 4. We now have common denominators. These fractions are equivalent, and so we can add them up. 3/12 plus 4/12 equals 13/12. That is how you add fractions with uncommon denominators. You find a common denominator and then add them up.